it's the Chun Kids, and today we're going to show you how to make a bird bath. Peace out.
Back, we have 2 clean 5-gallon buckets, and this is where we're going to use as a concrete form, and then we have a dirty concrete bucket which we're going to use to mix everything up. We have our paper towels. This is optional. This is actually a back massager, and I use this to vibrate the concrete just to get the air bubbles out, but again, this is optional. And then we have any type of lubricant, whether it's cooking oil, you can use paste wax. I bought this non-GMO because I want the concrete to be real healthy. And here we have 2 solar panels that have a built-in water pump. So as soon as you put it in the sun, it's going to run automatically. We have something to use to mix the concrete, this little hand shovel. And we have some gloves, our face mask for mixing the concrete, a sponge just to clean things off, and finally we just need 1 bag of concrete, which is more than enough.
I forgot to mention you'll also need 2 plastic or silicone liners, which will fit inside of the 5-gallon bucket. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree for $1.25.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get ready to mix the concrete, but first let's go ahead and prep these 2 5-gallon buckets.
Okay.
Sloan and Olive, get a paper towel each. 1 for Olive and 1 for Sloan. Perfect. All right, now grab the cooking spray, shake it up. Yes, like you're mad at it, like you really, yes, like you're serious. There you go. Whoa, you're really good at that.
Oh,
So
I
now,
will shake it harder.
what I want you to do is you can pop the cap off, and let's go ahead and spray the inside of each of these buckets. Sloan will do 1 bucket, and Olive will do another. I'll hold it for you. You got it? Now this is going to be messy, but it's okay. You're just going to spray it everywhere inside.
Okay.
Get closer, down there. And all you need to do is go ahead and wipe everything around. Just get the oil everywhere.
Yeah, like you're mad at it. And you're like, maybe like the clean air, like
Yeah, you have to get the oil coated all the way around the bucket, and that way,
you're in a rush.
and then when we're done with the concrete after it's dry, it's going to be easy to take it out. It's not going to be stuck. Olive, go ahead and spray yours. And you're going to do the same thing, Olive. Oh, that's it. This is the consistency you want, like a really thick oatmeal, very thick oatmeal. Yeah, so the reason we don't want it too runny is because the concrete loses its strength, and also when we put this in our forms, in our 5-gallon buckets, and the key is that we vibrate it with the massager, and then you'll see that turns into pretty soft liquid.
Okay.
You ready to do this? Alright, so you can see we didn't even go through 1 bag of concrete. Now, this is a 90-pound bag. I would say we used about half, and this should actually be good enough for 2 bird baths. But we'll see. Alright, go ahead, son. You can start taking it from this bucket and transfer it into the next bucket. So we have our concrete in the buckets, and what we're gonna do is shake it around a little bit to even it out. And then Sloan, I forgot to mention, we bought these plastic trash cans at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. We're using this as the inner form, and we're filling it up with water just to weight it down. We are going to take our buckets of water that's inside. So these buckets, they're stuck on top, but when we use this to vibrate it, the buckets will start to sink down. Are you ready for this magic, Sloan? See what it looks like. That's basically what you should see. Now, this water is likely not going to be enough weight, so you could take something else. We have a little concrete stand that we made that we can set on top until this fully cures. Might vibrate it just a tiny bit more. That should be good.
I'm ready to see magic this time.
So we're pretty much done with the actual concrete work. All we have to do now is let this cure. I'll let this sit probably for 3 to 4 days. Then we'll remove it from the 5-gallon bucket, and then I'll have to trim the top of the trash can, and then we should be done from there. All right, guys, it's 24 hours later. I'm gonna go ahead and take this stool off. It's pretty hot outside, so as you can see, the concrete's drying pretty well. Alright, looks good. So you can just kind of wet it down so the concrete doesn't dry too fast periodically, so it can absorb some of the water. So we'll come back tomorrow on day 2 and see what they look like. You might be able to pull these off after 2 more days. Okay, this is 48 hours later. This is what it looks like. I think they might be ready to come out. I think it's, I looked at the forms. Normally we wait, 3 or 4 days, but it's been so hot, I think it's pretty dry, and we should be able to take them out of the form. What do you think?
Yep.
All right, let's.
Here I'm just rotating and pulling on the bucket, which makes the concrete pot really easy to slide out.
All right. Here's the next bucket. do you think? Looks good? Now we have the knife, razor. Just gonna go along and cut it.
Alright, so since we couldn't find any black pots, plastic pots, I'm gonna go ahead and paint these. Alright, so I just set the spray painted liners back inside of the concrete pot.
Okay, so great. We're gonna try to keep this in the shade. And then I want you to flip it over. And when you flip it over, put it right into the bird bath. Good. Now let's take this attachment here, that one, and then set it on top with the other way. Squeeze it on there. So I'm gonna help you with that part. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's back away and let the sun hit it. See what happens. Oh, there's different attachments, but with how wide or narrow I would say our pots are, I think this is better because if you put a different attachment on, let's see how much it sprays. Like try, no, let's just try that one right there. Watch out, okay? Someone's gonna put that on. You just twist it on, okay? Okay, now get back, let the sun hit it. Yeah, see that one, it's too powerful. The water comes up too much. It looks cool, but I think our pot is too narrow for that, so let's just let the sun hit it. Cool. Got a little bird bath there. What do you guys think? Pretty cool? Concrete bird bath. Awesome. Good job, guys.
Thank you for watching, Chum Kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.